out here in the Arizona desert, something ancient is hiding in plain sight. This is known as the Bouse Fisherman, a prehistoric desert geoglyph. Archaeologists estimate it was created roughly 900 to 1200 years ago, long before European contact. The figure stretches more than 100 feet across the desert floor. It wasn't built up, it was revealed by scraping away dark desert pavement to expose lighter soil beneath. From the ground, it's almost impossible to recognize. The design only makes sense from above. These geoglyphs were created by ancestors of Yuman-speaking peoples, including the Quechan and Mojave. It's commonly interpreted as a fisherman holding a spear. Fishing was central to life along the Colorado River. These weren't maps or markers. Most researchers believe they were ceremonial, symbolic, or spiritual in nature. They may have been created for spiritual beings or as part of ritual movement across the landscape.
1,000 years later, the story is still here, waiting to be seen from the sky.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.